Good morning and welcome to day 26 of my 30-day healthy restart. I cannot believe we are almost done. So I'm getting ready to head to work. For my breakfast, I am bringing the cinnamon cream cheese swirl cake. And I am just going to make that at work in the microwave. And then you will see what I have for my second fueling. And then I will be home for lunch. I will see you then.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. Keep on acting out like strangers.
Well, I am back for lunch. And you saw that I made the buttermilk biscuits in the waffle maker and topped it with avocado for one healthy fat. What I'm making for my lean and green tonight is shrimp fajitas. And I've got my frozen shrimp here. I'm going to thaw out in some warm water and I have to peel them. And then I'm gonna marinate them like I did the chicken in my chicken burrito bowl recipe with 1.5 teaspoons of low sodium taco seasoning and 2 tablespoons of water. I'm gonna go to Mike's this evening and bring the fixings for shrimp fajitas. And for my wrap, I am going to use the crepini egg wraps with cauliflower. I looked online and found that I count one of these big wraps as one green. So that is what I'm gonna do. I have some regular tortillas for Mike that I'm gonna bring, and I will also have some sauteed peppers and a little bit of reduced fat cheddar cheese. And the taco seasoning is a condiment. I will probably use a tablespoon of light sour cream for another condiment. With shrimp, you get 2 healthy fats. So I am also going to have some avocado. But you will see all that later today. For now, I'm gonna head back to work. You will see what I'm having for my 4th fueling. And then when I get home, I'm going to get all my ingredients ready to take to Mike's. Finally home from work. Thank God it's Friday. I'm looking forward to the weekend. So I am packing up my stuff to take to Mike's. I have my shrimp that I marinated at lunch today, and I'm going to grill that on a grill pan. He's got an electric stove, and you just put those right over the burners. And to go with the shrimp, I'm going to have mine on the crepini egg wraps with cauliflower. One wrap is 1 green. And for Mike, I have these Extreme Wellness tortillas. Each tortilla has 50 calories. So he's welcome to have an egg wrap too. I'll let him decide, but I want him to have the option because he is not on the 5-in-1. I have reduced fat, finely shredded sharp cheddar. And I'm going to saute some peppers. And for my 2 other greens, I'm going to have sauteed peppers. And then I'm also going to have about half a green of romaine lettuce and chopped tomato. And I have 2 left of these holy avocado. So 1 for me, 1 for Mike. I had one of my, I get 2 healthy fats today because I'm using shrimp. I used 1 on my buttermilk biscuit at lunch, and I'm going to use the other on my shrimp fajita. So I have that. I have some light sour cream. 1 tablespoon is 1 condiment. And I have a LaCroix. I like to drink these out of wine glasses when I have dinner sometimes. And I grabbed a frozen cup of white rice for Mike in case he would like that on the side. Okay, so I think I'm gonna load up and head to Mike's. Hi, well, I am at Mike's and I'm getting ready to cook our lean and greens. Got all my equipment here and I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna turn the camera down so you can see exactly what I'm doing.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless.
All right, well, my lean and green was absolutely delicious, and Mike loved his as well. So we are going to kick back and relax and watch some TV, and I will see you back for my last fueling. So, Mike, did you enjoy your lean and green this evening?
It was wonderful.
Good. So it's time for my last fueling. And I just wanted to show you guys, I keep this bag of fuelings at Mike's. And I found in there a smoky barbecue crunchers, which I am really excited about because I thought I had eaten my last bag. I'm expecting a new Optavia box any day now. But I am going to have the smoky barbecue crunchers as my last fueling, and then Mike and I are going to watch some TV and relax. So I'm going to say goodnight, and I'll see you tomorrow.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good.
Welcome to day 27 of my 30-day healthy restart. I had my golden chocolate chip pancake for my first fueling, and now I am headed home for a little while. I have some stuff to do at home, and then eventually I will be back at Mike's for my lean and green. So I will see you for my next fueling. Well, I am home from Mike's. Tonight he wants to cook burgers on the grill, and I am out of Revolution rolls. So I am going to put my eggs and cream cheese out so that they can come to room temperature. And in the meantime, I'm going to go enjoy my hot tub and the sun. And then I'll be back for my third fueling. You saw what I had for my second fueling. I had the campfire s'mores bar on my way back from Mike's. And I think I'm gonna have the buttermilk biscuit with some Laughing Cow for my third fueling. But I'm going to go relax outside for a little bit, and then I will be back for my third fueling and to make my Revolution rolls.
The red lights keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. All the memories just lingers on repeat like it is never gonna stop. I can't help myself from feeling all alone.
Well, look what came in the mail, my Optavia box. So I am very excited because I was running low on some of my favorite stuff. Okay, what do we got here? Aha. I got a box of smoky barbecue crunchers. I got 2 peanut butter shake mixes. They're my favorite shakes. And I am liking them as soft serve lately. And I got 2 caramel macchiato shakes because I've been completely out of the caramel macchiato. And you know I like to have this with a shot of espresso in it. So I'm very excited about that. And I got some creamy vanilla shakes. I've been out of those too. I want to try mixing that with a cup of coffee. As a matter of fact, I might bring one to Mike's to have tomorrow morning. And then I haven't tried this one before. It's the frothy cappuccino drink mix. So I'm excited to try this. And I have 2 decadent chocolate brownie mixes because I love the brownie made according to package directions with some Ready Whip on it, and I also love it as a candy bar, which you have seen in other videos. I have a chocolate fudge pudding mix. I was running low on these. And I have the mint chocolate soft serve. I was out of these as well. And as you know, I've been kind of on a soft serve kick. So I'm very glad to have these back in stock. And then on to bars. I got the lemon Tart Crisp Bar. Now they've changed the formula since I've had this last. So I'm excited to try it. And I got more peanut butter and chocolate chip bars. These are one of my favorites. And I got the Frosted Cinnamon Spice Crisp Bar. Now, I had this a while ago, and I like it. Plus, now that we're getting the warmer months, these don't melt as badly as the chocolate ones. So it's just a little mini unboxing, but I thought I would share that with you. So I'm gonna pack things up and head to Mike's. I've got my Revolution rolls. I'm gonna bring my turkey burger that I made and froze about a week and a half ago. And in the turkey burger, it's 4 ounces of 99% fat-free ground turkey, and then 1 tablespoon of reduced fat mozzarella cheese, and some fresh jalapenos. So Mike is gonna cook those on the grill, and I'm gonna have it with a Revolution roll. And I'm gonna make a salad to bring along as my greens. And I'll use 1 healthy fat as my dressing. So I'm going to get everything ready to go for Mike's. I'm going to grab one of these lemon bars and have it on the way as my 4th fueling. And I will see you at Mike's for my lean and green. Okay, well, I am loaded up and on my way to Mike's. I have the lemon tart crisp bar as my 4th fueling. So I will see you at Mike's. Well, it's time for my last fueling. I am going to have the creamy double peanut butter crisp bar. So I can't believe it's the end of day 27. We only have 3 days left, 28, 29, and 30, and that's gonna be done in one video. So you will see that on Wednesday, and I'm going to do my results video on Friday. I'm very excited. I think I did lose some weight, and I'm feeling better, and I'm sleeping better, and I'm not stopping. I'm gonna keep on the 5 and 1, and I will post more videos Sundays and Wednesdays. But anyway, if you like this video, please like it below and subscribe to my channel. And tick that notification bell so you are alerted every time I upload a new video. So I'm gonna have my fueling. Mike and I are going to watch a movie, and I'm gonna say goodnight, and I will see you tomorrow.